The coil stands upright. It's a little bit bigger than a rotor, so the rotor never passes the edges to flip polarity, so it's one way. And it was very hard getting it to spin the correct way at first until I lucked into that core stub. There's a piece of rebar that comes up to about here, right about halfway actually. Actually, it's coming up more than halfway now, a little more than halfway. And the inside has stronger flux than down here. And there's a spacer down here, a piece of plastic that holds this. Spacer is probably like this big, that holds the core little stub up there. So this magnet coming in, this is usually the sticky spot here because it's dragging you. It just sends it right up when it's going, because the flux in here, it wants to attract right on that core and it whips it up. And right now I have two Hall sensors, so I got it timed where it's cutting on right there, and then it goes up and goes off right there. So this is my collection window from here to here. Again, let's see. Let's try to get a better shot. Here to here. So like here to here, roughly. Right in there is when I'm pulsing it, because it's sucking up to that core and then it gets the jolt and it goes good. Then it does it on both sides. So here, 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 and the polarity's flipping. Yeah, so that's what's working. Then I have it bridge rectifier, a small little cap out back into the H bridge, which is feeding back in with a MOSFET, which I don't know if it's working or not, but it's blinking, so I don't know. Anyway, then when I turn it on, it starts off with a little bit of amperage, and as it goes up, the flux builds. It gets up to speed, and that amperage drops out as it goes. So there we go. So that's what's going on with it. It's a bifilar in series right now. I cut the top so I could get it in there as close as I can, so the magnets are just about going over the center as close as I can without scraping it. But yeah, that's what I got going in now. So I'm going to pull the power and we'll see how long it goes for off the cap. Pulled. It winds down, it doesn't go. If I put a big cap on there, it goes for a while, but that's because the power supply is charging it. So that's running off the cap there. Plug it back in. So yeah, I need to get another coil just like this there on the other side. So I'm hitting it on both sides. More copper. We'll see what happens.